Today we're going to demystify an age-old Indian dish, biryani. It's a dish that consists of rice and a meat of your choice. This recipe is very forgiving and can be customized according to your taste. Here the technique is so simple. We will break this recipe in 2 steps to make it less cumbersome and more flavorful. So you'll need 3 diced chicken breast pieces, 1 cup yogurt, 1/4 cup ginger garlic paste, and half a cup of oil. 4 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon each of turmeric and red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of each cumin and biryani powder, 3 teaspoons of salt, and 2 teaspoons of garam masala. To dice the chicken, first cut into 3 or 4 long strips. Then cut each strip into about 5 pieces. Then add the salt, the oil, and the yogurt. Then add the ginger garlic paste and all the other spices. And using the same folding technique from the other videos, mix the contents in the bowl. So now you have your chicken made, put that in the fridge for 1 day. For the second step, you'll need coriander leaves and mint leaves along with chili. You will also need to slice 1 onion. You'll need 3 cups of rice, 2 cloves, and a 1-inch cinnamon stick. You'll also need 1 bay leaf and 4 cups of water. Then add salt to the bowl of rice and microwave for 10 minutes. Take out the bowl from the microwave and take another flat bottom bowl. In this bowl, you'll be putting layers that have different ingredients. You will line up the bottom with sliced onions, then in the next layer you'll add your chicken. Put the rice in the next layer, then add some of the remaining onion slices, the coriander, and chili pepper. And on the side, take some dough and knead it. Make the dough into a rope that will line the rim of the rice container. Then place a lid on the layered bowl and seal the edges using the dough. Bake in the oven at 475 degrees for 15 minutes. Then, lower the temperature to 450 degrees for 30 minutes. Let it cool before you take it out. Once it is done, take it out and open the lid, and mix the contents in the bowl. With the remaining leaves, go ahead and garnish the bowl of rice. You can also add cashews. And there you go! You learned how to make what seemed like a difficult dish in the first place. Go ahead and brag in front of your friends if you want, but more importantly, make sure to check out my other videos for more cooking fun, and I'll see you around.